It's helpful to know how to freeze and store cakes and biscuits. Brownies freeze like a dream, wrapped in cling film and stored in a freezer bag. As can an unfilled sponge cake. Scones freeze really well too, and most other little cakes, ideally for a month, but we found they keep a lot longer than that. You can also freeze sponge cakes in slices, wrapped in cling film again, which is ideal if you have some left over or live alone. Biscuits freeze well too, and it's handy as most one-egg recipes make too many to eat all at once. To store an iced cake that's got cream or mascarpone in the fridge, a polythene box is suitable. This one has an inside cake lifter to lift it in and out. Traditional cake tins can also be used, as can polythene boxes like this one that holds a loaf cake. Got any questions? Then join in one of our online web chats.